Alright, just finished mounting this Russ Warmont TRX fairing on my 22 Lowrier S. And I got the 14-inch windscreen. Easy to mount, really easy. Just have to get an adapter. I think they sell it on their website, or you could buy it on Amazon, whatever the case, for the headlight. Because the headlight will be way too recessed with this new fairing, because it sticks out. So comes with a bracket, and you mount it on the new frame, on the new housing for the new headlamp, which is not a big deal. Get that on Amazon. That's done. Got my saddleman seat with the little lumbar support, removable lumbar support. Comes off, boom, real quick. Goes right back on. Should go, boom, just goes right back on. Thrashing pipes, 2-in-1. That's all I've done on this thing. Change the seat, change the pipes, put on new fairing. Might leave the bars. Other than that, I mean, I'm gonna change out the levers, make them black. Can change out the pegs. I want to get I'm gonna get a crash bar, Bung King crash bar on it, so I don't damage it if I drop it. I've already dropped it a couple times anyway. And I'm gonna get a sissy bar. Gotta get a little luggage rack, and I'm gonna get some hard bags. A little luggage rack for traveling, so my wife and I can hop on this thing and go somewhere overnight. That's it.